Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And let's get to the video. So what game should I play? Let's go to games. I don't know what game. Sword Simulator. That should be a good game. What the heck? The Grinch? What? Alright, let's do. Get my sword out. And play. Oh my gosh, it's. Oh my gosh, stupid. Oh my gosh, this game's so laggy. Get out of here. No! No! Oh, I don't even have my sword out. That's stupid. Wow. Oh my gosh, will this guy go away? I have to defeat him. Come on. It's not. Oh my god. Ooh, there's a nerdo over here. No, I'm gonna lose. This sword is weak as heck. Alright, this game's stupid. I hate this game now. So, none of my friends are online. Let's play this. It's very hard. I can't even get past one level. My friend, he can like do a lot of things. He can like beat this. And me over here, I can't even. It's frustrating. You have to get all the way up there. I don't know what you get for getting to the top. Maybe like a badge or something? Neon. Oh gosh. Why does it start you from the bottom? I'm just dying up there and starting from here. Oh gosh, that would suck crap. Man, I want to get up there. This one's easy. Barra. I don't try to hit that. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, want to see my restaurant on Restaurant Tycoon? Should definitely check it out. Very amazing. I hope it's saved. What I had here. Yeah, it's saved. That's good. Yeah, I know. It's kind of lonely here. Wait until just get customers and customers. Oh yeah, there's twins here. How do you go through somebody's body? Oh my gosh! Hot drinks. That's so hot. I got cars, Game Boys, Squirtle plushies, and planes and fidget spinners. Fidget spinners are so old. That was so like long time ago when they were cool. I still have mine. Ooh, yeah, they have Happy Meals in this game. And every Happy Meal has one of those toys. What kind of kid has coffee? What? That kid gets coffee? And I can't have coffee? Well, I can, but... How does this kid have coffee? He's just a little kid. Oh my gosh. Boy. Bruh! Bruh! He gets coffee? Yo. I feel like this game doesn't know the difference between, like, children and, adults. Wow, these chefs are really good. I need some more of these. I only have 2 so far. Oh yeah, my restaurant name is The Food House. I couldn't think of anything else, okay? I know it's kind of a sucky name. Bro, it's a Jeep. That's not worth it. Furniture loading. Now this is what I need. How much is this? I need one of these. Let's go back to my tycoon. Bruh, what was that? See, he gets a Happy Meal. They get Happy Meals. They get 1 toy from the bucket. See this kid? The Food House. I can see that hot dog sticking out. Ooh, I don't want to touch it. Open it. Wow, you got a car. How did hot dogs stick out? Wow, I bet their parents are like, oh, it's like my mom and McDonald's. It's like, why do they sell toys? That's just extra trash. I think McDonald's toys and like other toys are trash. But yeah. I don't really like McDonald's toys. Except the Mario ones. When they sold Mario toys, that's the only ones I liked. At one time McDonald's sold books, and that's the only thing that my mom liked. Was like the books and stuff. Oh gosh. Okay. Money. Let's go to the store. Dun 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 dun. That was the crappiest song I've ever seen. I'm gonna never sing that song again. Yo! They have this. Oh yeah. On my second slot, this is my 3rd slot. But on my 2nd slot, bro, I don't have that much. Seems retarded. Okay, I can get this, but not that. Whatever this is, smoothie bar. Why do they make smoothies? That's like the best one. Smoothies. Well, will I stop running into the wall? Okay. Oh wait, my tycoon teleporter. The Food House. Back at it again. Oh, I'm back at it again. Cha-ching! Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Oh yeah. How do I switch this around? I guess I don't know anywhere else to put it. Oh, R is for rotate. That makes sense now. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, the smoothie bar. I forgot about that. Oh, I didn't. That's what I was wanting. Oh, the TV. Right there. Finished. Hey! What? Oh. Hey! I gotta hire a chef now. I don't wanna cook. American food. This one. They're twins. I don't care really. Oh, and I need a barist, whatever. I don't care. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, more twins. That's nice. Milkshake, milkshake. Wherever my saving game. Oh, this is a success. What happens if I close the game? Closed. Oh. I'm kidding. Let's open it. Oh, I think that's the end of my video. Bye.